Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error driver process terminated on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error in your system, basically it is a driver related issue, and to fix this issue the first workaround is go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and type msconfig and click on OK to clean boot your system. It will open system configuration window. Here from the top menu bar, go to services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services, and finally choose disable all. Thereafter go to startup tabs from the top menu bar and open task manager. All the startup apps status in your task manager will appear here. Look for any startup apps enabled, manually disable it. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all the enabled startup apps in your system. Close the windows and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your process terminated error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose device manager, and here look for any device driver having warning sign, yellow color exclamation mark. Simply right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically and let the window complete the driver updation process. Apply same procedure for all the problematic device driver having yellow color exclamation mark or warning sign. Update your driver. Now check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows search and type cmd to open command prompt windows and click on run as administrator. Command prompt window will open as administrator mode. Here execute these three DISM tool one by one. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows, and after that execute the command sfc scan now, sfc/scan now, and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system. Don't forget to restart your system and check whether your driver error driver process terminated error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows settings. From the left side, go to Windows update and click on check for updates, and if any update available, download and install it. Thereafter scroll down and go to advanced options. Here scroll down and look for optional updates, and if any optional driver update available, download and install it. Sometimes outdated driver or operating system update may be a cause of various type of error appear. And if your problem is exist, then go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system and here choose option recovery. Here click on open system restore. Restore system files and settings wizard will open. Here click on next. Choose a system restore point. You may click on show more restore points. Select it and click on next. Finally confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description field below. Windows update. Finally click on finish. Your problem, your error will definitely be resolved.